Hi, this is Jyoti here. Welcome to Jopat Tech Guru. In today's session, we are going to discuss regarding C# tips and tricks. We are going to have a discussion regarding the strings. So what is a string in C#? What is the size of the string object? Difference between capital string and small string. Accessing a string in C#. How to include the special characters as well as escape sequences and how to use the backslash in the string. Let us start the discussion. So what is a string in C#? So in C#, a string is a series of characters that is used to represent text. This can be a character or a word or a long passage surrounded with a double quotes. So whenever you are including a double quotes for the particular word or a character or a sentence, it will be considered as a string. So India, capital I, India is a big country, all are considered as strings. C# uses string data type to store string literals. So you can store using the data type called as string. String S1 equal to hello or capital I. So what is the size of the string object? The maximum size of a string object in memory is 2 GB or about 1 billion characters. Practically, it will be less depending upon CPU and memory of the computer. So what is the difference between capital string and small string? So there are two ways to declare a string variable in C#. Either you can use system.string class or you can use the string keyword. Of course, both are same and there is no difference at all. So then why most of the developers prefer capital string or small string? So capital string in a class in .NET Framework in the system namespace, the fully qualified name is system.string, whereas the lowercase string is an alias of the system.string. So developers prefer or they use string to declare variables in C# and use system.string class to use any built-in string methods. We are having several methods like is, null or empty, compare, etc. So how to access a string in C#? So whenever you are going to declare the array of characters, it will be considered as a string. So a string is a collection of an array of characters. So string can be created using a character array or accessed like a character array. So here in this example, we have got all characters wherein we have stored welcome. Each and every character is separately mentioned with a single quote. So string S1 equal to new string of all characters. String S2 equal to new capital string of all characters. So how to access this? Using the for each loop, you are having character C in S1. Each and every character is getting extracted. So you can observe that we are declaring character array here, which is going to get store all the characters. So there is no limitation. How many characters you want, you can keep on storing in that. So how to include special characters in the string? A string in the real world can include any character. So C# uses double quotes for string and it cannot include the double quotes in a string. So whenever you are going to create a string with the double quotes and you want to display that double quotes as the output, then you have to include the backslash. So if I'm going to give India is a double quotes big country, then it is going to show me an error. C# includes escaping character like backslash before these special characters to include in a string. So if you are going to give backslash double quotes, then it will be going to get displayed as a normal string with the double quotes. So how to add the escape sequence in string? Prefixing the string with an at indicates that it would be treated as a literal and should not escape any character. So if you are going to include the at symbol before the string, then it will be considered or treated as a literal. So usually we'll be storing the file path or usually we'll be storing the entire informations regarding the particular file using the at symbol. Use at or backslash to declare the multi-line string. So if you are going to store any number of lines within a string, that time you are going to have at, as well as you can use the combination of the backslashes. So at double quotes, this is a backslash multi-line backslash string. So if you want to continue the sentences, you can always give the backslashes. So use of backslash in a string. Note that you must use a backslash to allow double quotes in a string. So at is meant for only adding the special characters in the C sharp. So suppose if I'm going to give at, then double quotes for the string, it is going to show me an error. If I'm going to include at symbol with backslash double quotes and backslash double quotes, it is going to show me an error. So if we are using only backslash, then only it is going to give me it as a, then only it is going to show me as a single line or a single sentence, which is going to include the double quotes. So this is all about the string. Hope the entire string related information is clear to you. Again, I'm going to upload a new video which contains all the string related methods as well as properties. Hope you have liked it and it has helped you. Please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.